there are 60 new swim instructors that were certified over the weekend through Swim Angelfish, an adaptive swim program that specializes in working with people with special needs.
Allie Wagner's in City Heights with more details. She joins us now. Good morning to you, Allie.
Good morning. Yeah, hanging out poolside on a Monday morning with some very special guests here. So I have Cynthia, who's here from the City of San Diego Parks and Rec, Aileen, who is here, Mallory, and Cindy. And so let's talk a little bit. Mallory, I'll start with you with what this all is, why everybody came together, and what happened this weekend.
Yeah, so the Chuck and Ursula Cruise Camp Foundation is all about empowering the communities of San Diego. And so when we heard that children with autism are 160 times more likely to drown than their neurotypical peers, we knew that was a space we wanted to impact. And so we worked with the city and other water safety partners here in San Diego. So amazing. And they said, if you help us build capacity, we will serve. And so we wanted to sponsor 60 swim instructors from the City of San Diego, City of Chula Vista, and the Y to be are certified, and we are so happy to have our Swim Angelfish partners here to do so.
Yeah, and so this was big for the City of San Diego as well, to come together and to really be a part of this, and now you're going to have more swim instructors.
Yes, our swim instructors, approximately 30 of them, were trained this weekend and certified in Angelfish, adaptive aquatic.
Yeah, which is so just fascinating. And so of course, tell me a little bit, because you guys started this how many years ago?
Yeah, we started in 2000 and we're based out of New England, and our mission is really to empower instructors to work with individuals with special needs to keep them safer and get them more independent in the water.
Yeah, and so this was fabulous, because you were telling me normally you have to go facility to facility, but you had everybody coming in.
Oh, it was really incredible, and the team in San Diego was unbelievable. They all came in, they did the online training, and they gained strategies and techniques. Honestly, they will be able to empower the parents for safety. They have resources to take to their community, and the community will be able to share the resources and really impact families of these kids that are highly attracted to the water and kids that are avoidant and unable to learn in typical ways. It's really going to be a game changer for the City of San Diego. I'm excited.
Yeah, and so you guys still have resources available if there are parents who want to learn more about this. You said that that's something you guys are so passionate about, is being able to share this and help those parents.
Absolutely. We have a QR code right to the Adaptive Water Safety Toolkit. Things like ask permission before you get into the bathtub, and helping to see ritual and routines to improve safety in, near, and around water. We are an OT-PT team. We created this so that families will avoid things like tragedy around water, and we're so fortunate to be able to come here and do this, and we know the families are going to be impacted in a really large way.
Yeah, and Mallory, the work doesn't stop now that you guys have done the swim lessons. You guys are continuing to provide now swim lessons, right?
Yes, absolutely. The Chuck and Ursula Cruise Camp Foundation, in partnership with Step and Swim, provided all of our partners with grants so that they can expand their adaptive swim program. So we're so excited to offer these to the community and to bring more people to the pools.
Yeah, which this time of year, it's busy at all of your pools.
Yeah, even though the kids are going back to school, our pools are open, and we want families to know that we're open year-round, the water's warm, and we're offering swimming lessons year-round, and now with more specialized training for our instructors.
Yeah, which is just fantastic. What a great program, and great to be able to help more kids and have that safety around water. We know how important that is. Guys, back over to you.
Thank you, Allie.
Absolutely. All right, thanks, Allie.